Hello everyone, my name is James Redden from Prime Reputation Management and I want to welcome you guys to our webinar on how to dominate local search ranking with your business listings. Now this is a short webinar, so we want you guys to stick around till the end. The goal for this webinar is to provide you guys with valuable and actionable information which you can use today to start ranking higher in Google search results. There's also two amazing surprises for our webinar guest here today, so do stick around. Again, this is going to be a short webinar with a lot of valuable and actionable information that you can use today to start ranking higher in Google. So who are we? Prime Reputation Management is a digital marketing agency. We are located in Hayward, California. My name is James Redden. I'm a business development manager here for I've been in the local search industry for about 6 years, worked very closely with Google and their reps to understand what information that they're looking for, how to improve. I worked across different online large directories such as Yelp and local.com, superpages.com, etc. We also have John Huang, who's been with us, who's a local search consultant and been with us for about 3 years. And he's our amazing consultant that can answer pretty much any questions around local search for you. So moving on, let's get right into it. What is local search and what is a local business listing? A local search is, think of it as any searches conducted in a geographical area. So when people are looking for dentist in San Jose, San Jose is your geographical area. It's a city. People are looking for top restaurants in the Bay Area. Now that covers the multitude of cities, but it's again a local search because Google is trying to show you what's around you. People are searching for auto shops near me, lawyers, best lawyers around me. Those are some of the examples of local searches. A business listing includes information about your business, such as your business name, address, phone number, website, hours of operations, photos if you can add them on. Sites like Google, My Business, Yelp, local.com, superpages.com, Better Business Bureau, all these local directories want your business information. Now here's the big thing that's happening. A recent study done by Google shows that 4 in 5 people, now keep that in mind, 4 in 5 people are doing local searches. And those people are doing, 88% of them are doing it on smartphones as well as on computers and tablets, about 84% of them. So there's been a huge uptick, and because of this uptick, Google had made some major changes on to their search results. Most of you guys have probably noticed there used to be ads on the right rail. Now there are no ads. You see ads, paid results on the top. Now the local search results are second in place after the paid ads, and organic results have actually moved down. This change was done in February 2016, and this goes to show that Google understands that this is a new way of how people are searching, and they need to present this data higher. So the business listing that you see here in local results, those are the listings you want to make sure that you're correct. And there's a whole criteria around how Google will rank these listings in their research results, and how you could use the information learned today to start competing with your competitors, your local competitors, in a much more efficient way and start outranking them in local search results. So why are they so important? 80% of the buying decisions are made before a customer even enters the store. So people are finding your information not only on Google. So I hear that a lot. A lot of people are saying that, I'm okay on Google and I show up. That's okay. If you search for your business name, you show up, you should be showing up for the first place. However, there's a lot of local searches and variations of them where your business could be optimized, and having your listings corrected is very important. So people are searching for you on Google Maps, on listing sites, on Yelp, on social sites like Facebook, LinkedIn. Your business information is distributed out throughout the net, and it's really important that you have correct information. 73% of the people lose trust in a brand when the listings are incorrect. So if your phone number is mentioned one way on Google and Yelp has a different phone number, it's outdated for whatever reason, then people are losing trust in your brand, in your service, in your business. If you're finding that the traffic to your business location or your phone call volume is low, it's probably because your listing locations are wrong somewhere on the internet, and that is you're losing customers by the day. So the importance of business listings and having them correct not only helps you rank higher, but also helps the user understand and come to your business much more easier. So how can you dominate the local search ranking? I think understanding the basic is the first step. So this is what we're going to give you. The foundation of how the ranking factors work within Google, right? Because most of the traffic is going to come from Google. However, Google's going out to sites like the Google crawlers. They go out to Yelp. They go out to local.com, superpages.com. So again, if your business is submitted to Google and not to anywhere else, then you're doing the bare minimum, and you could be losing out on a lot of customers. So Google wants to see consistent information. So what do we mean by that? So if your business listing's on Google and it has the correct information, the phone number, but on Yelp, the address is different, but the business name is correct. That Google looks at that and says, wait a minute, why are there different information about this business? So they start losing trust in your business because the information is incorrect. So imagine now they're finding the incorrect information across multitudes of sites. That's going to affect your overall ranking in Google, and that's going to affect the perception that users going to have about your business. Google also says to have a dedicated location page for your business. So, for example, in your contact us page, that could be your dedicated location page that has your address is visible. People can easily read your address. Your phone number is there. The pictures about your restaurant, or if you're a lawyer, all your correct information is there. That's your designated location page. You want to try to make a conscious effort on removing and updating incorrect business listings. If you're finding your business listing on some sites that are incorrect, then you either want to have them remove it or you want to update it with correct information. What are some of the key business informations? So this is what you want to try to make sure you can distribute out as much as you can. Your business name, your location address, your phone number, your website URL, hours of operation. The more complete your listings are, the better ranking you're going to get on Google and also on other popular directory sites and review sites and social sites. Have photos. Wherever you can add photos about your business, you want to add them, because that increase more click-through. It gets people's attention and people click on your business to learn more about it. So these are all the important factors. So Google's looking at all these different areas to make sure that they're finding consistency is the main key here. And once you start correcting your listings, once you start adding them to different sites and fixing the old ones, then you will see a change in your local ranking and more visitations to your store fairly quickly. So, surprise number one for a webinar guest. So what are we going to do to help you guys for free, right? We have built out a very comprehensive top 100 online directories where your business should be listed on. So you can take this document today, and here's a example screenshot of what it looks like, right? So we have really did a lot of research on defining the criteria of what makes a good directory, where a business should be listed on. And with this list, you can take today for free, and you can start working on it by yourself, right? You can take the list, you can go by site, and you can start working on it today. This is the link. We will also have this link available on the page. So you can download the list and you can start improving your ranking today, starting today. So if you don't have time or you want help, then we have a solution for you. Now, let me give you guys an example of what can we do for you in a very efficient way. Because if you do it manually, that's going to take a long time, first of all. And then secondly, you're going to miss out on a lot of important factors. So let's give you an example. We have Bennigan's. Bennigan's was founded in 1976. They're a fairly well-known brand in the East Coast in the U.S. They have started expanding in the West Coast now. So they recently came on as a client. They have given us permission to give us provide their data in this demo. But they're growing fast here in the West Coast, and they have a location in Santa Clara. They also have a location in Fremont, and they're expanding, adding on new locations every few months. So they wanted to see how their business listings are doing. So just to recap, our platform helps you manage your entire business very efficiently. You will save a tremendous amount of time just by having access to the platform, where the value will just pay for itself. So anyways, we're going to go over this example to kind of show you how it could be, how you can improve your business listing without having to spend a tremendous amount of time and at a very, very fair price, which you guys will see a surprise soon. Anyway, so we put the information into our platform. So what we do is we go out and we scour the internet. We have a top directories listed, and we show you right away where your business listings are correct. So we find them on Bing Local, we find them on Google Map, but this is where the additional value comes in. We also show you where we didn't find any listings. So City Search, Bennigan's, it is a restaurant. It's an amazing restaurant. If you're ever in the mood for an Irish burger, they have the best burgers around there. So once we put their information in, we're seeing that their listings are not found on these popular directories that are more impactful for their ranking because they're in the restaurant category. So we couldn't find their listings on OpenTable.com, for example. TripAdvisor has it, Yelp has it. This is all great. Now here's the additional value. We also tell you where we found the listings with possible errors. So Zomato is another restaurant-based directory, and we found Bennigan's in Fremont. We found the right address. Actually, the address is wrong because it has some kind of suite number, right? So they don't have a suite. They actually have a physical location. So this information is correct, and our platform has identified for it. You can easily go in and start editing, and you can do this right away. Here's a couple more examples, right? On 411.com, we found two listings. So there's Bennigan's Grill and Turbin, which is not their business. And it looks like in two of their listings, they misspelled a name. There's apostrophe that needs to be, and they're missing a website. So we help you identify which important information that you're missing on the existing listing that's available on the internet. Let's take a quick look at this again. Dex knows we found the name, but the address is wrong. So the correct address is 43968. There's an error for 43956 again, right? We're easily able to identify the listings that are there and take action on it right away. This is just the listing sections. I mean, you can see the list here. First of all, you can start adding them right away and then fixing them right away as well. So again, we found it on Super Pages. There's multiple listings. There's errors with their address. There's phone number missing on some of these sites. All of this is contributing to their rankings in Google and their potential customers that they might be affecting and losing trust with. So our goal is to get on this account right away and start fixing them. You can do the same. Again, this is just the listing part of it. Citations is also really important. So once you come on the platform within our service, we distribute your listing, your business listing, the correct one, across 300 plus directories automatically. And that what that does is it builds a tremendous amount of trust with Google because they're finding consistency of information about your business across the net. So you start dominating your ranking right away. Part of this section is also if any business or any site mentions your business or your name, then our platform is able to pick up on that. So in this example, we'll just use, it looks like localguides.com talked about Bennigan's restaurants. So you can see this is not a directory per se, but they are listing Bennigan's. So there's Bennigan's in Santa Clara. Their listings here. So what that does is this gives you a sense of if people are talking about your business or mentioning your phone number, your address, you get that notification right away. You can go in here. If they're missing a website, you can say, I want to get a backlink. Here it is. So this not only you can use that for your local ranking, but you could use this to boost your organic ranking for the SEO because you just discovered a white hat, a very genius way of obtaining valuable links. And all of these sites will make those adjustments right away because it's true. You're not trying to build any link wheels or anything like that. This is information about your business, and they're missing they're missing website. So you provide them with the right information, and they get updated right away. That gives you a boost in local ranking as well as in SEO. So this is just you're able to track your statistics. Again, this is one time you put your information in, and we do all the work. You keep track. All the reports are in here. We also we also help you manage reviews, mention social, but let's not even get into that. We're a full-scale solution, and just the listing part of it, this alone will help you gain higher ranking in Google and start dominating the local search results. We're going to go back to our presentation, and I think we're here with our second surprise. So let me, So you've seen a demo with Bennigan's, and here is something you guys can't miss. So, how after seeing the platform, take a guess like how much it would cost. Our starting packages, they start at $149 per month, anywhere from there to $599 a month. But just for you guys as a webinar, because we're trying to expand, we are doing a unbelievable deal. You don't want to miss this. We're calling this the 50 for 50 promotion. What that means is we're going to allow 50 business owners to get our platform access for $50 a month. Now, guys, get on this as quickly as you can, because that's going to get filled up very quickly. You've seen the power of our platform. You can only access that pricing from this URL. It's primereputationmanagement.com/special. Again, this is only available to 50 users, right? Business owners. After 50, we can't take anymore, because it just, it's a lot of work that we're putting in to help your business increase. $50 a month, it will pay for itself within the first couple of months, and then the first month if anything. So get on it right away. This is not going to last. It's limited time. If you think your time is more valuable than doing it manually, then this is the direction you want to take, and this will help increase. So we want to give you some of the results as well, right? So Fatburger is also a well-known brand. They were founded in 1952. They have 150 locations worldwide. They have used our platform for about 3 months, including our services. They've seen an increase in their business listings by 42%. They actually got 146 new citations and listings after using our services in the first 3 months. They saw a 32% increase in their call volume. Now that's amazing, right? 22% increase in their location visits. Now we have about 50 locations started, and then they're expanding it. We're rolling it out to more locations as we go on. But within the first 3 months, they're seeing these amazing results. And this, again, it's helping small businesses, and we work with large businesses as well. So it's once you get on the platform, our service, you can count on us to help you. That's our goal, and we are here to support. You can contact us through phone number, through contact us form, visit an office, however you like. We are dedicated to helping local, small, medium, and large businesses grow. And one of the ways we do it is through our platform and through our service. So again, just to recap, Google wants to see consistency. Remember, consistency is the key here across your business listings and citations. You want to have a dedicated location page for your business information. You want to remove or update incorrect business listing. If you don't want to spend $50, then I would encourage you to download the top 100 business directory document. It's a free document that we want to give away to you guys. Use that, start correcting and adding your listings, and you will start seeing results very, very quickly. If you're up for it, if you saw this before other people, then I encourage you to sign up and lock in your rate at $50, because it's not like the rate's going to change. If you sign up today, then that's the rate you're going to have for however months you want to stay on with the service. It's not going to change. So, act on it, hurry, and sign up for it right away. Again, my name is James Britton. I hope this webinar has helped you. Leave us a comment. If you have any questions, use the contact us form, and we will answer your questions as soon as we can. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this webinar.